In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and stream audio from Dropbox. Dropbox makes it very easy to send audio files to other people without forcing them to download the file first. That means if you have an MP3, WAV, or another audio format saved in your Dropbox account, you can create a share link and let someone listen to it directly online. This is one of the simplest ways to share voice recordings, music demos, podcast drafts, or other audio files quickly. To get started, open Dropbox in your browser or app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all of the files stored in your Dropbox. If you're using a browser, make sure the page finishes loading so you can clearly see your file list and navigation options. Next, go to the All Files section. This is where you'll normally find everything stored in your account. Browse through your folders if needed and locate the audio file you want to share. It could be an MP3, a WAV file, or another supported audio format. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct file before sharing it, especially if you have multiple versions of the same recording. Once you've found the audio file, click on the Share option. Dropbox will open a sharing window with a few choices. From there, click Create Link if a link hasn't been made yet, or click Copy Link if one is already available. This step generates a shareable URL that gives other people access to that specific audio file. After the link has been copied, you can paste it wherever you want to send it. For example, you can share it through Messenger, WhatsApp, or email, depending on how you normally communicate with the person receiving the file. Just paste the link into your message and send it. When the receiver clicks the link, they'll be able to open the Dropbox page for that audio file and play it online. That's what makes this method so convenient. They can stream the audio directly instead of downloading it first. It saves time and makes the file much easier to preview. If you want the smoothest experience, it's a good idea to make sure the audio file has a clear file name so the receiver immediately knows what they're opening. Also, double check that you copied the full link before sending it. And that's how to share and stream audio from Dropbox using a link.